Well, happy hustle day, friends. It's Monday, it's a new week, and we are back with Lawns. Non curated discovery. Oops. Non. Non curated. What? Discovery. So, for those of you who, this is episode 4, there's 3 episodes before this. So, if you don't know what's going on, I'm making a website. But because I'm a developer and I like to have ideas and come up with random things, I've decided to make my website into a prototype social media, even though no one else is ever going to use it. But it's a fun experiment, right? So figuring out the data models and building the thing is pretty fun for me. So we're here with Lawns, and so where we're at is we have my website, which is my own digital domain, elijahillusion.com, and then we have where I'm hosting it, and then we have the code base. So the idea behind Lawns is that this code base will be able to be cloned by anybody else, and then will be automatically connected to each other just by using the same repo. So we're gonna figure out. I'm calling that connection RTMP, but it's just a joke, real-time media protocol. It's not anything to do with HTML. It's just yeah. It's just for fun. So what we got now is on my website. So I'm gonna take you in. I have these 3 little panels, and see how they're all different sizes before? So on my website now, I've actually made the grid so that they take up the full width, or at least equal width. I think if it's a wide screen, it'll go to 60% or something. So yeah, so I made that look nicer, so it's got a better visual kind of weight. And then I added a bunch of super juicy buttons on the playlists. Oh, it just feels so good when you click them, and they got really nice easing on the buttons, so they feel squishy. I like it. And yeah, so I got my playlist done. You can add songs to playlists on the fly. It's contextual. Wait, where did I plan that? Because I was trying to plan it in here. I think it's in here. Oh no. Well, I think I lost it. That is the problem with this this app. It's called what's it called? Endless Paper. Endless Paper is the app. So anyways, I thought I could scope creep myself into a couple other features since I did this playlist. That was the next thing on the list that I wanted to get done. So we're done. We're gonna give ourselves a gold star. No, that's the thing. Remember, I was making a gold star. Oh, where is that? Okay, we're gonna make this a gold star because we're moving on. Moving along. Let's move along, people. Nothing to see here. There we go. Shiny gold star. Okay, so playlist is done. Now, what is next? I don't actually have an S3 uploader, so for my files. So I can add a file. Oh wait, Yeah, see the playlist button that we were talking about. The gold star! See, I wasn't lying. See these buttons? I did these buttons that we were talking about in episode 2 or something. So, okay, we found the gold star. We're all very excited about it. I'm going to color it in. So, we got to figure out what to do next. So I have a file uploader, or I need a file uploader, but that's not really fun. I want to like do something fun for the YouTube videos. So like one of the things I want to do with this is I want to make, what is it? So I want to make something to do with the songs. Okay, well, I want to also add a generative art component for all my generative art. And I was thinking of like plugging in the music player into like the background artwork. So it's like the generative art would like respond to the music that's playing in this player. So what I need for this is, this player currently has like an audio element, so just like a plain HTML audio element, audio, and then that's being like controlled inside the component, right? So I'll need to somehow get into this and then put it into a context, I think that's the way I'm going to do it. So we'll have the audio plug into through this like use context to like some like context component. It should be like jukebox. Yeah, B-side. I'm gonna call this the B-side jukebox because I have this idea of an album that's like all B-sides. Because like I don't know what to do with these songs, right? Because I don't. They're not like singles. But if this was like the 70s or the 80s, we would have just like B-sides on them, you know, just like that trash. And it's like, it's my trash, and I want it to be on a shelf in the world, so to speak. So we got our B-side jukebox component or context, which will, okay, so I need a generative art component, which I've proven many times over and over, so that's no big deal. Okay, wait, yeah. So this is our background component, BG. We're gonna call it background component, BGM. This is our background music visualizer. Sick. So our BGMV, it can plug in generative art. It can like go through, what are those called? Slideshows? Yeah, slideshows. Solid color. What? And then all of this will be, so in like the header of our component, we'll have like user. So we'll grab our user like, and then we'll have like a little, in the config we'll have checkboxes. It's like, what do you want to see? There we go. That's fun. Okay, that'll be our next like, our next thing. And then generative art will have like a bunch of like items like in the songs. Yeah, like in the songs. And these will all be like my sketches. Like they'll be like code snippets. I gotta figure out how to load. Okay, so then we need to somehow load JavaScript files into the browser, which is fine. You can just use the exec, I think. I think it's exec. Yeah, because we can use exec, run the code. We'll see how P5.js does it. And then, so that's like, I don't know, day, maybe two, of messing around. Who cares how long it takes? It's going to take however long it takes. So, yeah, okay, so we'll get this background. So I'll start here with the background component. And then, so this is like 1. And this is 2, because we want to be able to like plug in the sound. And then I think this is 3, because this could be like the part. 3, 4. I think once I figure out this data model of like whatever the sound is coming out as, and then I can put that into the use Juke Nukem. Juke Nukem context. Look out. Alright. So, we got our work cut out for us. Family. Let's go. Happy Monday.